Hey, what's up guys, this is your tech advisor, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Soloop latest version APK. So let's get started. First of all, I will give a link in the description below. You have to go to that link and click download, and it will get downloaded. It's just 47 MB, and after that you have to click and open it. It will show you to install that app. You have to install that app, and that's it, simple. With Soloop app you can make videos online easily with just one click, as they say in their advertisement. Open that app. You have to give permissions. You can auto generate templates. It's asking for phone calls. Okay, you can also create anything easily. You also get these edited recommendation videos, Chinese. Okay, this is the latest version. You can also export to 1080p video watermark. Yes, it's good. You can edit manually also. So that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon for more awesome videos like this.